Hey guys, welcome back to Simple Acre Homestead. My name is Bert. We are doing a follow-up video today on the request of one of our subscribers for the Toguard driveway alarm. So what the individual wanted to verify was the distance that it would pick people up. So I am going to measure out, because I believe the low is supposed to be 20 feet and the high is supposed to be 30 feet. So I'm going to measure out increments of 10 feet and just test out how far it actually goes. So bear with me. I was going to paint the ground so I have a mark. Oops. All right, guys. So I'm just going to grab the receiver from Cindy here. We'll turn it back on. And unlike the last video, I'm not going to dance. So I'm going to start at the 10-foot mark. We'll see if it triggers it. I'm just going to make sure it's pointed in the direction I'm standing there. In general, we've actually found them very sensitive, or fairly sensitive. We've had issues with them picking up squirrels, the kids all the time, the odd bird. So anyway, I'm going to start at the 10-foot mark right here, and you can hear it's picking that up. I'm now at the 20-foot mark. I'm now at the 30-foot mark. So, I guess I will grab the tape measure and see just how far we can go here. All right, so I'm back at the 30-foot mark. Oh, maybe that was the... All right, so that may actually, well, still picking me up. All right, guys, I think it actually is right around that 30-foot mark. So I'm just going to go verify that the power level is set on high and not low. Oh, you know what? This is actually on low. Well, let me just see if it makes a difference on high. Make sure I get the direction right here. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the 30-foot mark. So I'm back here at 30 feet again. All right, still picking me up. Still picking me up. Okay, so I think that might actually be the spot. So we are quite a distance still from that 30-foot spot. we are actually 40 feet. So to answer the question of the subscriber, which we're very happy to do, by the way, 40 feet is how far that Toguard sensor was picking up. Obviously, as you get farther away, it may not be as likely to see you, but it still does pick up. So a smaller target, maybe not so much. So anyway, if there are any more questions, like I said, we have been fairly happy with them so far. It's only been, I'm not even sure how long it's been since I put these up, maybe 2 weeks. But we have found they're doing exactly what we hoped they would do. No issues so far with the solar power being, getting enough power. If anything, I wouldn't mind the receiver to be a bit louder. We have it on high. To hear it through the whole house, well, unless you have everything shut off, you probably won't notice in some rooms, but maybe that's not a bad thing, I guess, either. So far so good. And 40 feet was the distance on the high, just past 30 feet on the low. Not a big difference between them. If you have any more questions, guys, let me know. Happy to help out. So again, if you like to see our videos, please like. If you want to follow along on our journey here on the 0.93 acre homestead, we'd love to have you join our subscriber family. Have a good night, guys.